Hey, welcome to this video from Dr. Lock. So today we're making keys to a Toyota Corolla, and we're making 2 flip keys and 1 standard key. So what we'll do is we'll just make sure that they all work. So if you've lost your keys and you need keys made, 0413 120 444, and that's for Brisbane and the Gold Coast. And we'll just try the last key, and that's it. So we'll just lock the car. So the remote should actually work with the boot. Sometimes they don't actually need it because there's actually a button behind the boot. So just here we've got a button, so press that, doesn't open. So you can unlock the car. If I press the boot, light just went, and then that will open that, and we can lock the car again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.